Hey fellow creatives, let's draw a mermaid today. So I'm sharing a quick little sketch project using Copic markers and Micron pens. And the goal in this project is first to work on figure drawing using a silhouette technique, and also to work on composition by filling in some of the space in a way that really tells a story and doesn't detract from the main figure. Now you can see that I'm using this wave technique with the Copic markers, and I'm purposely not trying to blend because this gives this wave effect that really lends itself to the mermaid theme of this drawing. Now the next step here is the quick sketch. This is just giving me a sense of where I want to lay that pen. Now, if you are still working on getting confident in your own sketching, I did put together a tracing page for you. You can get that in the link in the description. It'll come right to your inbox. And now we're going in with the fine liner Micron 005 just to give a quick rough outline of the figure and the seahorse. Now, the story I'm telling here is that we have a mermaid and she is petting her pet seahorse here. And while we're here, please go ahead and hit that like button if you are enjoying this little exercise. Thank you so much. One of the things that's great about the silhouette approach when you're new to figure drawing or still working on this skill like I am is that it gives a lot of room for fixing things that don't quite look right at first, which is harder to do if you're doing real detailed line work. So you can see, you can go in and you can really adjust the outline as you need to as you're filling in with the black to make that silhouette shape. And by doing this, you can really help get yourself used to what the figure actually looks like in its overall shape. And then later this can translate to more complicated drawings. You can see now I'm starting to work on the overall composition, adding in some context cues with the seaweed and some bubbles. Now you'll notice there's a little smear here, and I'm going to come back to that, so don't forget about it. I'm drawing in some little fish friends, each with their own little bubbles. And again, trying to keep everything consistent with this silhouette approach. And I just love the bold look of this with the graphic, colorful background, and the black figures really pops, really makes it a fun piece. Adding in some coral here to add to that sea floor effect. And now we're back at the smudge, and look at that, I turned it into a little fish friend. And there you have it. I hope that you enjoyed this little skill building sketch. And if you're ready for another fun project, check out this one right up here. I'll see you over there.